Hello, welcome back to Dawsons PokeVids. So, in this video, we are going to open our usual 9 packs of Rebel Clash, but also, I have been given 62 code cards to give away. Now, these are Rebel Clash and Evolutions XY, so hopefully some of you guys will appreciate that. But let's get straight in to our 9 packs. So that's 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cool. So we're almost through all this whole box now. Next episode will be the last one for this one. Last one for this box. Sorry. So, gonna move these over here. So throughout this video, I will be showing a few of those code cards to give away. I'll just stop at a random point and show you between 10 and 30. I haven't really figured out how many I'm going to do yet. But, let's get into it. Alright, here's this code. Oh, just kind of giving away that I got a good card there, my bad. 3, 4. So, Walter. Sonia. A Masquerain. A Hatrem. A Timpo. A Trubbish. A Helioptile. A Honage, sorry. A Squavit. A Reverse Wingull. And a Holo Surfetched. Brilliant. I actually haven't had this card yet. So, that'll go in my set nicely. Let me just sleeve this. So our first pack was a holo. Very nice. Right. Into our second pack. So there's the code for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the front. I believe this is Dark Energy. A Heatmore. A Morpeko. A Scoop Up Net. An Electabuzz. A Squavit. A Snova. A Natu. A Trubbish. A Reverse Sandygast. And a non-holo Toxtricity. Very nice. So, we're 2 packs in out of 9. Let me fix this light for a second. It's a bit. There we go. Hopefully this might be better. So I'm going to give away some of these code cards now. I'm just going to show some. There. 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 Oh, no. There. 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 Another one. Another one. I have another one. One more. And that's the last one. So I'm going to give another few away in a bit. Into our next pack. Oh, sorry, there's the code. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. So, Fighting Energy. More Grim. Oh, sorry, a Full Heal. A Training Corp. Oh, did I get rid of 2 there? No, cool. An Impidimp. A Bunnelby. A Phantump. A Dreepy. A Farfetch'd. A Barbaracle. That's a cool one. Oh, Milotic V. Look at that. That is a nice card. I also haven't pulled this one yet either. So my brother bought me a binder so that I can actually put these cards that I'm getting in a set, so that it all looks nice and neat. So hopefully, if I don't complete the set in one box, which would be very impressive, in the next few boxes I get, I can complete the set and have a nice binder with a Rebel Clash set in it. But who knows? So after this pack, I will be giving away some more codes. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Leaf Energy, a Doublade, a Lombre, a Hattrem, a Honage, a Timepole, sorry, a Vullaby, or a Vullaby, Galarian Corsola, a Toxel, a Reverse Spiritomb, and a non-holo Unfezant. I actually haven't got this card either yet, so that's another one for the set. Very nice. Right. So some more codes. Let's go. I'm going to give away quite a few here. So 1, 2. Just pause it when you want the code, because I know not everyone's here for codes. So many to give away. And do a few more. One more. And that's it. So many codes. Right. Into our next pack. So, near the end of this video, you'll see me opening some Evolutions booster packs, which they do look awesome, I have to admit. Kinda swaying me towards getting my own booster box of Evolutions. So, Energy, Lightning, a Pelipper, a Speed Energy, a Metapod, a Litwick, a Corsola, a Binacle, a Scyther, a Vullaby, a Reverse Burning Scarf, and a non-holo Scizor. Very nice. So this is our 6th pack now. We pulled 2 nice cards. 2 like rares that are holo or Vs. I'm still hoping for that secret rare amongst these packs. Still dreaming. 4 to the front. Leaf Energy. A Metapod. A Tool Scrapper. Dan. A Growlithe. A Dreepy. A Snova. A Binacle. A Duramaka. Oh, a reverse Pokeball. Very nice. And a non-holo Seismitoad. I haven't had this one yet either. I hope I'm saying it right with Seismitoad. I think so. I think that's a solid guess at the name. Pack number 7. Yeah. I think. Hang on, I'm going to have to do a count in a minute. This could actually be number 8. I'm not sure. May have miscounted how many I pulled out. There's your code. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Lightning energy. Electrode. A tool scrapper. A cursed shovel. A phantom. A bronzor. A toxel. An applin. A duramaka. A reverse medicham. And a spiritomb. Non-hollow, I believe. Yep, non-hollow. Okay, so far still only those two. Let me just count how many packs I have opened. I don't want to open too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. Okay. Right. I'm going to give away another load of these code cards. These are XY Evolutions ones, these ones. Oh. Okay, I'm going to save the rest of these for the last 2 packs of this episode. Ah, there we go. I'm always scared that if I pull too hard doing that, I might actually bend the cards. So far, I have not, so I'm okay. There's your code. Just going to move this light around a little bit. Try and get an angle where my arm doesn't get in the way. Okay, that's a bit better. Electabuzz, a Natu, a Honedge, an Impidimp, a Magmar. What? A reverse? Oh, I forgot to do the trick. Oops. My bad. Well, there's my first mistake. Our rare was the Spiritomb, non-hollow. Okay. So, only two so far. I wonder if we will get a third. Let's hope we do. I believe in these boxes, it's 1 in 3 packs are a good one. And so far, these will be our 27th pack, this one right now. And I have pulled 4 in the first, 4 in the second, so 8, plus these 2 is 10. So, if they've done it correctly, there should only be another 2 rares left in this box. But who knows? I may just be really lucky and get more than 12. Because it is just a chance after all. So, Fighting Energy, a Palpitoad, a Scoop Up Net, a Chatot, a Hatena, a Magikarp, a Meditite, a Stunky, a Grubbin, a Reverse Stunky, and a non-hollow Mr. Rhyme. Now this is cool for me because I actually need Mr. Rhyme for my set. So he will be going in the binder, and hopefully we get lucky. Right, so I'm going to give away these last code cards, and then we'll have a look at our 2 good pulls. So, get through all these. So once again, this is thanks to my brother. He's given us all these code cards to give away. And hopefully in the future, we'll have even more code cards to give away. Cool. So, this episode we pulled 2 really nice cards. We've got a Milotic V. Let me try and get some good light onto that. It's a nice card. And a Hollow Surfetched. Hey guys, so my brother bought another booster box and he said we can open some. So we're going to open another 5 packs, but this time it's XY Evolutions. Hopefully I'll get to open my own booster box of this in the coming weeks. So let's get into this. Oh, a bit harder this time. There we go. Over there. Okay. So I'm going to pick up 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I believe the best card to pull in this is a Charizard, being the most expensive one. Let's get straight into some packs. Now I don't actually know the, there's your code. I don't actually know the thing for this, so I'm just going to do 3. 1, 2, 3, and hopefully that is the right one. So start with a Trainer Pokedex, a Porygon, a Full Heal, a Charmander, that was nice, there's the Energy, a Pikachu, a Growlithe, a Machop, a Reverse Machop, and I believe this is the rare, so non-holo Dugong. But we did get a Reverse Machop, which looks really nice. Let's put that over here. Let's get into the second pack. There's your code. So turn it over. 1, 2, 3. So we've got a Venusaur Spirit Link, a Potion, a Kakuna, an Onix, that's a nice looking energy there, a Voltorb, a Tangela, a Poliwag, a Reverse Hitmonchan, and a non-holo Doug Trio. A Reverse Hitmonchan looks really nice. Very nice. So let's go into our third pack. There's your code. Flip it round. 1, 2, 3. So, got a Nidorino, a Switch, a Blastoise Spirit Link, a Pikachu, Staryu, another Onix, a Weedle, Machop, or a Reverse Magikarp, that looks nice, and a Starmie non-holo. Now, I don't actually know if those cards are meant to be holos or whatever, so forgive me if I am wrong, and I've just been showing you all the rare cards, because I have no idea. So, there's your code. 1, 2, 3 at the front. So we've got Full Heal, Kakuna, a Charizard Spirit Link, Charmander, a Diglett, a Ghastly, a Caterpie, a Drowsy, a Reverse Nidorino, and a Doug Trio. Some nice Reverse Nidorino there. And the last pack. There's the code. 1, 2, 3. Got Maintenance, a Potion, a Machoke, a Machop, a Tangela, a Vulpix, an Energy, a Voltorb, a Reverse Pikachu, that looks nice, and a Holo Ninetales. Very nice. Wow. So that was our only holo out of those 5 packs, but I will definitely take this holo. It's very nice. Hey guys, so we finished opening the whole booster box, and these are the reverse holos and all of the really nice rare cards. So these are reverse holos. Got some nice energies. We've got a couple of the champs. Now, next page, we've got Charmeleon. Some more reverses. Misty's Determination down there. To the top. And then these are our rare cards. So we've got a Break, Machamp, Venusaur EX, a Blastoise EX, and then we got some serious luck. So we pulled a Mega Charizard EX, a Mega Charizard EX Full Art, a Reverse Holo Charizard, a Misty's Determination Full Art, looks like a gold card. We've got a Gyarados Holo, a Chansey Holo, a Mew Holo, a Hitmonchan Holo, and a Ninetales Holo.